Hi lovelies, it's Lola. Welcome back to my channel. It's really late, and by really late I mean it's around 10 o'clock p.m. and I hung out all day and did a couple errands, and I got out of the house, which it was really nice. And one thing I did was my makeup, so I thought it'd be kind of nice to go to bed with me, and not in a literal sense, but do my little nightly routine when I'm wearing makeup. So if you want to see how I get this face all nice and pretty for bedtime, keep watching. It's funny, like, even though I'm gonna be 35, like, I feel like I'm a little kid and I want to have milk before bed. So, almond milk for you. Cheers! So the first thing I do is clean my face with a makeup remover. You guys are going to hate me when I tell you this, but I don't wash my face. I know it's bad. I only use makeup remover, and it does a pretty good job. Even on the days where I'm not wearing makeup, I still use micellar water, and it's just, my skin gets really dry. When I wash my face at the sink with some kind of foamy, sudsy face wash, it tends to really dry my skin out, and it's hard to recover from it. I know a lot of people would say that I'm not moisturizing well enough, or I should do some masks, but you know, what are you gonna do? See, this is kind of nasty. It's kind of gross, but it cleaned up most of everything. So next thing I like to do is I like to use a tonic. This Ren Steady Glow Daily AHA tonic is Ready Steady Glow, and it is effective for skin resurfacing toner. It will exfoliate and brighten your complexion, and very gentle for daily use. It has lactic acid, willow bark, azelaic acid, so it's going to really clean your pores and reduce the size of your pores by shedding some skin a little bit. I used to use a scrub to exfoliate my skin, but I feel like sometimes they're almost a little bit more harsh. They will kind of get the dead skin off, but they don't really cause new skin to build. So with acids like alpha hydroxy acid, it will resurface some of your skin, so you'll have more of a glow when your skin gets a little bit more used to the product. And that is what the tonic washed out. So yeah, I still needed to do that tonic to really cleanse my face. I think it's necessary and I love it. This tonic comes in a really cute little push dispenser. So you just push your pads on top of here, and then you press down, and then it doses your pad with some of the treatment, and it's easier to apply. Sometimes when you have a bottle, they can leak, so this one's always kind of standing up. Dr. Jart really knows what's up. This is a little bit herbally and a little bit like grassy, which makes sense because there's tiger grass in it. But it's for sensitive skin, and my skin gets really sensitive. It gets red very easily, and I get hyperpigmentation. So this helps calm down any kind of irritation or from shaving. So I think this is just really nice and gentle right after toning my face. I got this product and a couple other products from Dr. Jart for free through Influencester, and it's not sponsored, but I wanted to like try a lot of these products before I talked about them. So I think it's very important to do a little bit more investigation, I would say, into a product as opposed to me just giving you my perspective of a new impression. I love Tatcha. They have this dewy skin mist that's really, really nice as an essence, and I splurged on this when Sephora had a sale. So if you're gonna buy Tatcha during the sale, do it. I got a couple different things from them, so this is kind of a really nice treatment, and I don't use this so much because it's such a special product. I want it to be like a treatment and a special occasion treatment, so I'm not going to use this every day. But this is the Violet C Brightening Serum and has dual vitamin C for all skin types. And because it's a serum, it's actually very, very, I don't think you can see it. Just spilled everywhere. It's very, very watery. You know, it's really not that thick at all. It's great for layering products on top. And once a week or twice a week, I like to do an extra treatment for my face, the rest of my skin, and that is something with retinol. I'm using the Drunk Elephant A Pastione Retinol Cream, and it is, I'm pretty sure they're a vegan line. It has 1% vegan retinol. So because this is a little bit more of a stronger treatment, you're really not supposed to use a lot. So it's not like lotion necessarily. You have to really combine it with something else. So you can see it's very, very creamy. It has a little tiniest bit of fragrance in it. So I'll mix that with the Dr. Jart Tiger Grass Cream. It's a moisturizer, and it's gonna soothe my sensitive skin. So I'll combine these two with any kind of treatment that's acid or a retinol. You really want to make sure that you don't use them during the day because it can make your skin more sensitive to sunlight, and because of that, you can really mess up your skin. So I always do them at night. If you haven't tried any of this Glow Recipe products, I'm just in love with all of them. They're so nice. The mist is so beautiful, and I'm trying not to get too much product, but this is a retinol eye mask, so it's a little bit green, and I just put a little bit under my eyes. So I'm gonna wash my face again tomorrow morning. The skin around the eye is a lot thinner than the rest of your face, so it's very important to treat your eyes separately with a special skincare routine. I always moisturize my eyes in the day with a special moisturizer, and at night I like to use the retinol cream. I'm always using sunblock, and that really helps, but this is just kind of something that I've been using the past like month or two, and I really like it. I haven't had that many breakouts, but when I do, it's usually because I fall asleep with my makeup. But you didn't hear that from me. So this is my nighttime skin routine. I hope you enjoyed. If you got any information out of this, give me a like or a thumbs up. And I look forward to seeing you soon. I'm going to be working on some more videos and some more content. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, you can @ me at Visions by Lola. Thank you. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.